Hey guys, welcome to my channel and another episode of Cubing Corner. Now let's get started with training set number 2, that is T cases or T-shaped patterns while solving OLLs. I'm happy to announce that my book and Amazon Kindle are available for free if you have a Kindle Unlimited version. Go check it out and the links are on the description below. If you already know what is magic move and sledgehammer move, then let's keep going. So the first case in T shape will be this. So having a T shape in the top where two edges and two corners make up a T. Here I call this as a EC pair. E stands for edge, C stands for corner. So EC pair in the front as well as back, holding this T shape in horizontal manner, and the formula goes like this. If you already know how to solve how a magic move and a sledgehammer move is, then you will feel it much easy and comfortable. So the magic move is R, U, R prime, U prime. Then the sledgehammer will be R prime, F, R, F prime. The one more case is this one, where we don't have a EC pair. Instead, we have a headlights. Keep the T shape in a horizontal manner as you did in the previous and follow the step. F, and you need to do a magic move, so which is R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Simple as that, right? That's it. Here you come at the end of second training sheet, which has two T-shaped patterns, and you can solve it very easily. Hope you like it and hope you are able to solve these easy cases. Stay tuned and stay subscribed to my channel, where I'll help you solve cube in a much faster and better way. Easy to learn, and stay tuned for more videos like this.